Hello friends, if 8 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130, then what is the value of x? Friends, 8 to the power of x can be written as 2 to power 3 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130. We know that a to the power of m to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m into n is equal to a to the power of n whole power m. By using this formula, we can write 2 to the power of x to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of x is equal to 130. Here, exchange of power. Let 2 to the power of x is equal to y. Then y cube plus y is equal to 130. Again, we can write y cube plus y minus 130 is equal to 0. Y cube minus y can be written as 25y plus 26y plus 26 minus 25 is equal to y minus 130 is equal to 0. Here y is common. Take y common. It will be equal to y square minus 25 plus take 26 common, y minus 5 is equal to 0. Again, we know that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Y into y square minus 25 can be written as 5 square plus 26 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. Here, by using a square minus b square formula, we can write y into y minus 5 into y plus 5 plus 26 into y minus 5 is equal to 0. Y minus 5 are common, so that we take common y minus 5. It will be equal to y into y plus 5 plus 26 is equal to 0. Here we have two cases. Y minus 5 is equal to 0, and another case y into y plus 5 plus 26 is equal to 0. It will be equal to y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. Here we know that quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. When we compare this equation to this equation, we find that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5 and c is equal to 26. We know that in quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Put the value of a, b, c, then x is equal to b is equal to 5 minus, we know that the discriminant delta is equal to b square minus 4ac, b is equal to 5 square is equal to 25 minus 4 into A, 1 into C, 26, it will be equal to minus 79. Minus 79 is less than 0, so that no real solutions. No real solution. So that this one is rejected. Now, in the first case, y minus 5 is equal to 0 implies that y is equal to 5. We know that y is equal to 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. 2 to the power of x is equal to 5. Taking log both sides, it will be equal to log 2 to the power of x is equal to log 5. We know that log a to power of b is equal to b log a. By using this formula, we can write x log 2 is equal to log 5. Log 2, x log 2 is equal to log 5. Divided both sides by log 2, it will be equal to log 2 log 2. Here log 2 cancel out. X is equal to log 5 divided by log 2. It will be equal to x is equal to log 5 base 2. This is our final answer.